What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, and today we are going to go over a high-powered dividend growth stock that has just been extremely oversold, and I think there's a ton of potential to own this company, and I think the company will definitely go back up. It is under the 200 moving day average, and it is just extremely oversold, and it is a great buying opportunity right now. And I am not joking. I am just going to add this not only to my dividend company's portfolio, but I'm also going to add this to my Roth. I'm going to add this to my taxable account. I'm going to add this to every account that I own. And this stock, of course, is none other than 3M, ticker symbol MMM. The name is a dead giveaway for this one. This stock is a high-powered aristocratic dividend company that has been paying dividends non-stop over the last 25 years and has been increasing it every single year. And of course, you guys know this stock has provided a ton of masks during the COVID times. This stock is going to perform very well in times during war. This stock is not even done. All right, do not even fear buying it. This company, if I personally owned a hedge fund, I would literally go full-blown over leverage margin on the stock right now, where it is trading over the 200-day moving average. I'm going to go over exactly why I would buy it right here, right now, where it is trading at. It is pretty much trading pretty flat, and I think it is the perfect buying opportunity right now, and it will definitely go bullish anytime from the next few days coming up. So we are going to go over where I think is a great buying opportunity, and if you are a trader and you want to get rid of the stock, we're going to go over where would be an excellent price to sell and make maximum money on your return on the stock. And we're going to go over some technical analysis. We're going to go over some deep details about this company and why I am extremely bullish about buying this stock, that it is extremely oversold, and it is going to be one of your best mistakes you will not be making. Okay, this is going to be the company you definitely want to be holding and buying in the next few weeks coming up, because it is going to give you excellent returns on your money. And I personally am going to keep buying more of the stock while it is still down, because it just stupid not to buy it at this price. Like I said, if I owned a hedge fund, I would literally go full-blown margin, triple leverage on this stock right now, because it is just way too oversold. Anyways, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. With that said, make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Come check out my Patreon page. Come join us. Come learn why I am there going. I'm going to be there for you in making your trades. I'm going to help you out, make the best decisions for you. I'm going to give you some details as to where is a good buy, where is a good sell on my Patreon page. Other stocks I do not talk about on the YouTube channel, I'm going to be doing all of that in the Patreon page. So come join us. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. Alright, guys, let us check out what is going on with 3M, ticker symbol MMM. The name is a dead giveaway. Let us check out why in the world this stock has been trading down massively and where would be a good idea to start adding. And like I told you right now, it is actually the most perfect buying opportunity right here. Right here, perfectly at the 145, even to the 150. I'd even go all the way up to 160 on this stock. This is easy buy in this range. I would not even trip. All right, I would not even worry about buying within this range here. I think this stock has plenty of room to go back, and my target sell if I was a trader would be at about 177. All right, this is where I would probably start selling my shares, but I think 3M can definitely even hit 180. That is definitely possible on this stock, right? And this stock is one of those companies that follows the Bollinger Bands pretty well. As we can see, it bounced out of the Bollinger Band and bounced right back in, and it became super bullish right here. It's now trading above the 5-day moving average, which is your blue line right here. And soon we are going to get a crossover between the 20-day, which is your red line here. And once the blue line crosses and trades above the 20-day moving average, your 5 trading above the 20, that is extremely, extremely bullish. That is exactly one of the most perfect times you already want to be in this stock and own it. But we want to buy the bottom. And I think right here, right now, is the bottom. This is literally the bottom. RSI extremely oversold. 36, still pretty oversold. Friday, it was at literally 17 RSI. All right, literally the bottom. Right, this is the bottom here. These past 2 trading days is the bottom. All right, there is no way you're going to get a lower price than these 2 bottom lines here, and I even see it right on the MACD. MACD, and I even see it on the TSI. Histogram is shifting towards positive momentum. We're going to see some histograms moving up and going up, trading on the upside. All right, and RSI is going to go back up. All right, there's no reason for this stock to have been trading this low. It is ridiculous. This is an aristocratic dividend company. If I owned a hedge fund, like I said, I would literally put a ton of money in this. I would go over leverage. I would margin it to the max on this, and I will literally own a bunch of this percentages of this company. Right, this is the company that is extremely oversold. There is no reason not to buy this when it is extremely oversold, and we have super RSI 17 on Friday. That's where it was on Friday, literally 17 RSI. And this chart is about to go bullish. Right here was the most perfect day to buy. I unfortunately literally missed it, and I wasn't even looking at this company. This is a Dow Jones stock. You want to own your Dow 30. These are the companies you want to always keep your eye on. Unfortunately, I did not see it on Friday, or I would have 100% bought it. It literally gave you a $10 return in one day, and it's just not even done. All right, I think this company has plenty of room to go up. All right, if you're a trader, I would get rid of it at 170. But if you're a holder and you really believe in it, I think the price target for 180 is absolutely possible. If we go see it, what TipRank says 173, which is about here. That's where the Bollinger Band is, right? Your Bollinger Band is your green line right here, and they say 173 would be a fair value for this stock, and I could agree with that. I could say, yeah, that makes sense. 173 would be a fair value for this stock. Friday was extremely bullish. We had a 4.74% return, and then pretty much a little bit more, like 4 more cents after hour movement, which is not a lot, right? It's not a lot. It's not a sugarcoating thing. It hit 151 at one point, which is okay. It did hit 151.71 during the trading day on Friday. But I do agree with this price target. I think this is a true fair value for this company, and I personally see this company definitely going back to about 170 to even 180. 177 would probably be somewhere I think would be the top, but 180 is definitely possible for 3M, and war is actually good for 3M. If you thought COVID was good, and COVID, they provided some of the most incredible masks for us. 3M is a high-powered producer for masks during COVID, and that's where COVID is. They produce masks, and it just shot up to $200, and ever since May, the stock has been getting demolished, right? It survived in August. It survived a little bit in August, but after August, September hit, and the whole market really went bearish in September, right? Starting September, the whole market went to poop, and we all know that. Every company pretty much went to poop in September. That's when it all hit the fan, right? Shit hit the fan right in September. Shish kebab hit the fan, right? In September, market died. We all thought this could be the end, but no, market decided, I have a little bit left in me. And after that, in January, I said, all right, I don't really have anything left in me. Boom. And we are here now. We are literally stuck. And I highly doubt we will hit all-time highs this year. We already did hit all-time highs for the year. That was 479, and that was in January. And don't expect this market to recover. All right, it is a very bearish market. No war is going to save this market. All right, don't overlook that. This is good news. Inflation is just way out of hand, way out of control. CPI is just through the roof. Every month, inflation is going up by either 0.25 or even 5.5%. It is ridiculous. It is out of hand. The Fed is 100% going to raise interest rates. If you think they are not going to raise interest rate in March, you're really stupid and you're just really dumb and you don't understand what inflation is, right? And inflation cannot get out of hand. If inflation gets out of hand, everything will be extremely expensive and your $5 per gallon gas will become like 10, 20 bucks a gallon. If you really want the market to go through the roof and pay 20 bucks per gallon, that's on you, but I don't think anybody wants to pay 10 to 20 bucks per gallon for gas, right? That's what inflation out of control will look like, right? So the Feds are 100% going to raise interest rate in March. I have no doubt about it. They're definitely not going to be buying any more bonds or any more spending. They are done buying. They're most likely going to be selling, right? It just doesn't make sense for the Feds to continue buying. It only makes sense for them to raise interest rates right away, and they have my full blessings. I understand the market is going to suffer severely when they raise interest rate for the next 2 years. We're gonna have to suffer and bleed a little bit, but of course, you all know markets always recover, right? You need to think long term, right? Within the next 3 to 5 years, the market will recover eventually after inflation does get a little bit back on hand. We need to get inflation back to about 3 to 4% and eventually back to 2 to 3%. And it is going to take about 2-3 years, maybe even 4. But after that, market will be back to normal. All right, we are going to go make new all-time highs over and over again. And it's just right now, and we are in bad times. The Feds printed way too much money. It is ridiculous how much money they printed. And that's what happens when you print overly excessive amounts of cash and inflation hits, right? And they should have seen that coming. It was just stupid that they didn't raise interest rates once everything did settle down. And they understand that interest rate is not, inflation is not transitionary. They should have raised the interest rates immediately, right? They needed to get this inflation right back on control and not let it get out of hand. So it's going to happen. And 3M is going to be one of those companies you definitely want to own because it definitely has a great chance to not only get to 170, but after that, I think it definitely can get back to 180. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sells there and a lot of relatively information that is related to the market that you need to know and have details on. Also, guys, please leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you would like me to do a video on, or if you have a question regarding a specific stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you and answer you out. I might even do a video on your specific stock. Come check out my Patreon page. Come learn with us. Come join trade with us and make some returns on this crazy bearish market. We can make a lot of returns on this stock company, on the stock market, excuse me. Even as it's trading down, it is only in your benefit for the market to be trading down, because you are going to getting some insane sales. This is not something to be afraid of. This is something to be happy about, that the market is going down and you're getting incredible sales on incredible companies that you should be owning for long term. So with that said, guys, don't forget to get your 3 free stocks right now from WeBull. All you got to do is sign up, use the link below, and deposit of just $5, and WeBull will give you 3 free stocks valued from $5 all the way up to $3,000. Do not miss out on your chance on that. Also, come and check out FirstTrade. They give out pretty decent stocks as well. And of course, finally, we also have Robinhood that also gives decent stocks here and there as well. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.